Pag hindi, sino, si Stacy ang mag-adlib, ikaw maghawak ng mic, ha?
Mali naman yung oras dito.
Oo. Hindi ko na set. O, sini.
Sasayaw. Sasayaw kami. Paano mag-search?
Make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water,
Make me water, normally. I can see your favorite kind of mind. Telling me happy birthday! In a dangerous happy birthday, Colette! Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body, whole body.
make me sweat, make me harder,
Make me lose my breath, make me water.
make me sweat, make me harder.
Dalawa ba matakaw tayo? Nakatingin siya sa akin. Ang tingin.
Pwede naman dito na tayo hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahit dilaw. Habang tumitingin ang paa sa buhangin, tumitindi ng pangarap na ako'y ikaw. Kinakabahan na baka gusto mo nang umalis. Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasabihin. Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
Mundo'y tahimik sa iyong ngiti. Ito mo maagang pinaglalaro ang tinig sa iyong ngiti. Ito muna ako.
Wala, hindi ko narinig.
Almost. Si Gwen! Si Gwen!
Hayo!
I'd like to say, baby, I'll try. I'd like to play maybe we just went back, but that's a lie. That's a lie. And we can deny it as much as we want, but time our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, the truth is everyone almost is never enough.
It's never
I wanted you.
I love you! Nakalive pa na!
We almost knew it.
Ate ko rin sa mga
But almost
Room, saan nyo binili yun? Bibili kami ni Ate Aya. Sending, gusto ko rin. Saan kayo bibili?
Sending.
Sige, saan? I-DM nyo sa akin mamaya, ha? Smile! Ate Jo! Ito ko ba yun? Regalo pa yun! Kumain na siya.
Sayawin, magsaya.
show.
And I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. And I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. Used to think that I wasn't fine enough.
Uy, sinarge ko yan. Wala nang ano. Wala nang battery.
Wait, na-outcast naman to.
Wow! Ano yun? Ano yun? Wow! 1M! Ano yung ano? Gold na eagle? Ano yun? Ano yun? Philippines!
Okay, mag-pray muna tayo. Hoy, mag-pray muna tayo. Okay, patayin mo yung music.
Ano yung sinasabi?
Sabi niya, kakalabanin mo si Lord. Si Lord, kakalabanin mo, magpa-pray nga muna eh.
May noodles.
5, 6, 7!
I wanna say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Five, six, seven, blow your candle, blow your candle.
Uy, okay lang. Ano naman eh. Uy, ulit.
Puta
Blow your candles hanggang sunog. Guys, tinatamad pag suga si Shira Pia kahit hindi naglalabas yan ang kutsara at ininom.
Meron na kaming pila.
Suka dyan, oh. Buksan natin.
Natin pa? Ikaw na lang.
Isa ko rin na, guys. Huwag na ganyan. Uy, nasa niyo sa'yo din nila ako yung akin.
Parang ay, yan ang tahong mo, Shi.
Pag yan,
Ayaw ko kasama dito.
Guys, maglaro nga tayo. Ano yung
Pagkakaya ng tigay.
Hindi lalaro kay Kuya.
Tingin ko sa blooms. Uy, ang dugyot mo. Uy. Mga ano.
Pag ako magkasayo ng banda, gwin. Request.
Kaya hindi ko na sinasayo yung keyboard warrior sa TikTok. You have to be.
Ano, basta ako. Basta ako daw. Bakit?
one layer of that.
Kakais lang to. 1 layer?
Uy, dapat mag-English na nga daw.
1 layer?
Ikaw na. Wala ka mang kamay. Ano ba to?
Murder na yan.
Bitilan muna ko na. Lahat ng kamay na yan. Pero pa lang naman.
Asa ka naghugas?
Uy, naghugas naman
Asan
ako.
ka?
Inusog ko yung salamin.
Kaya ko nga binagyan na sa amin niya kasi barado. Naghugas ka nga sa barado na kasi.
Uy, sorry, naghugas.
Anong gagawin natin?
Konti lang naman.
Naghuy lang ako. Ikaw.
Nasa Kubo Live kami, sinubunan na pala ni Ate Mami. Hindi
Kinain niya yung
Kinain ko.
Ah.
Parang kung nag-o-opera.
Ano? Nagpapakita kasi hingi ka lang ng kopi. Papakita. Parang hindi ba?
Diba? Ano pinakabait yung kanta sa album?
Ano yan?
Ayan na naman. Nagtapos kami.
Ano favorite mong song? Ako yung,
O yung,
ano yun?
diba kahit kayo, hindi nyo nahuhulaan.
Or,
Parang,
or,
Hindi ko yung pinaka-least favorite yung
tawa niya.
Mag-realize ka, itsura yan.
Nauubo na yan. Sorry.
Hindi pinakalit.
Yung oily yun. Sobrang oily.
List?
List
Wait.
mo yun? Ano?
Alam mo nga ano yan?
Uy, babe, kinanta mo na, babe.
Oo. Kasi
Alam mo yung palabas natin, larva.
Oo. Yan.
Larva.
Wala, nagtatapo na daw yung blooms. Walang namamansin sa kanila. Ang gusto
The rice! Hala, sino gusto rice? Wala na kayo ng iba. Wala na tayo. Meron na.
Kukuha na ba kayo? Medyo basa pa to ah.
Maya-maya. Ano lang kami mo eh.
May chicken pang dadating ah.
Bakit hindi mo na enough ang suga? Malamang gumagawa kasi siya.
Wala, feeling ko nakakahawa yung gano'n. Kumagano na din ako.
Ito na yung greetings pa. Ngiti ka, 1, 2, 3, happy birthday.
Alam mo, hindi siya nag-greet kasi wala siyang picture.
Alam niyo, hindi rin nag-greet to. Hindi rin siya nag-greet tong birthday ko, di ba? IG, sa Twitter, wala. Kaya wag ka na kumasa
Pag
dyan.
naganap, meron kasi mga nag-tweet.
Ay na, happy birthday.
Celebration, chu. Greet mo daw. Wala kaming mga selfie guys sa isa't
Guys,
isa.
kasi
So,
kung sino yung mga pinakamalapit sa inyo, wala kang picture.
Ikaw naman ka. It's your birthday.
okay lang yan. Kare.
Okay lang yan.
Wala ako rin.
Nadilit.
With my homie right there.
My homie, with my gang.
With my gang. Ay, ko sana. Ate, wala.
Ayaw ni Joanna.
Ang ganda mo talaga.
Ate, malagay. Sabi ka naman!
Focus naman niya.
Pinig si Ate Jo.
Focus naman sa lababo niya.
Wala ko yung Ate.
Kapagapag ng lahat ko ang damang ng ganda ni Ju. Hanggang
Okay, doon.
tawag ka to.
Hey!
Parang
Hey!
ganda mo talaga. Ganda ni Ju.
Mapakinggan ng lahat ng nilalaman.
Hindi pa ba sila?
Isip mo.
Lulups! Mahal mo ako, nagawa ka ng paraan.
Kaya pumatawag ka. Masaukin mo lang ano. Kuya.
Babo po.
1, 2, 3.
Kuya? Kuya? Thank you, Kuya.
It's like you've got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You can move that tiny, babe. Made of glass the way you see through me. You know me better than I do.
Galing. Sorry, tayo
Dahil ikaw first pa. Huwag mo lang pag-dikit.
I say fuck it when I feel it.
Someone's keeping telling I don't I ain't gonna conceal it. While you're talking about that shit, I'll be getting mine. Don't apologize for my behavior. If you're offended, I don't care. Staring at me, staring in the mirror. Little weird how gravity tells me to be there. Like it's right. But my body don't belong to now. I'm not a though. And I'm not gonna change cause you say so. I say fuck you when I feel it. Cause no one's keeping telling I do what I want when no one likes. I ain't gonna conceal it. While you talking all that shit, I'll be getting mine. She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a body like a but I can send it to overdrive. I'll be waiting for that stop on touching your back. See, you know what you hold your head in school, but I'll show you how to graduate. No one needs to hear top to top. Just start and show me what the fuck I got. Let me take you back. It's Miss Got it, it's freezing about all the thing full of China's spinning, I got it, it's winning in the lottery, chipping in the bottom of chipping, I'm good, and chipping, I'm good in the bad, and it's not good. Yeah, bang, bang, kicking it, we get down it, it's me, Jazzy, and Sheena, it's me, see anybody could be good to you, you need a bad kind of love. I can take the tension like a cloud of smoking. Hold on it. Now I'm breathing it. Don't you know? You spin me out of control. We can do this all night. Got this love is inside, baby. Come on. Pull me like a bass drum, sparking out a reed. Rock my world until the sunlight. Make this dream the best I've ever known. Bloody dancing in the moonlight. Take me down like I'm a domino. Oh, baby. Shout it out. But I can't hear a word you say. Talking loud and saying yeah. I'm criticized, but all your blue eyes ricochet. You shoot me down, baby. It's late. Can you take me home? Bring me some and be alone. Cause you know I'm a little tipsy. Light me up and baby kiss me. Come on baby, do it quickly. I don't wanna talk, so keep my mouth busy, little messy. I feel like burning. You're who I'm yearning. I'm ready for fiction. Spooks. Baby, make me feel like a little bit before. Hold me close by your side. Never let me go through the night. As I open my eyes, baby, kiss me from the nose down to my mind. Baby, come here and let me you see. Take you to a place now we can be free. Boy, put me on the fire. Come on, baby, take me higher.
Ako ng kamay ko.
Ang layo naman ito.
Why? Ako dito.
Kawawa naman si Mix. Oh, find your space. Oh, wait lang. Check mode. Check mode.
Hindi na mo yun?
Oh, feeling!
Hello?
Oh, hindi ko makakita. Okay lang yan, maliligo naman pag
Check muna, check. Okay?
Be, nakikita na siya una pa lang. Be, tara na.
1, 2, 3.
Hindi ko
Uy,
Hindi
kawawa
ako
naman.
kumika.
Hindi, ulit.
Wait lang.
Dapat
dito
sabay-sabay.
dito ka sa baba.
Sa baba ka.
Dito si
Yan.
Ulit.
Wala, may diwata! Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you, diwata!
Diwata!
Dapat 5 years pat na. 1, 2, 3, go. Wala akong na-feel kay Gwen. Yan.
Ako, dito ko.
Si Mika wala akong na-feel.
Hindi ah!
Wala akong na-feel!